Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring you have domain admin or delegated rights, so changes apply across targets. Open the Group Policy Management console now. This gives you centralized control. Once GPMC is open, navigate to the correct domain and find an existing GPO or create a new one linked to the target OU. Make sure you choose a GPO that affects the computers needing USB access. This avoids accidental policy scope creep and lets you test safely before broad deployment. You now edit the GPO. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, then System and Device Installation Restrictions. Once there, enable the policy to allow installation of devices that match specified device ID. Add the USB device ID you want permitted. Make sure to also disable blanket, prevent installation of removable devices, or create explicit exceptions. This targeted approach permits known USB devices while keeping other removable hardware restricted for security. Once configured, link and save the GPO, then force an update using gpupdate/force on a test machine to accelerate results. You should test a representative client and confirm the USB device installs and appears in Device Manager. If it fails, check security filtering, WMI filters, and GPO precedence or loopback processing. These commonly block expected behavior. Also verify device ID entered exactly match the hardware, and that policy replication completed across domain controllers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.